Hey YouTube, this is just gonna be a quick haul video. It's pretty early in the morning, after 9. My brother woke up so early, so I was first to wake up early, so I said, why don't I make my little haul video here? Don't mind my face, I don't have on any makeup, so yeah. Okay, so this is gonna be my Forever 21 haul plus size edition. So yeah, let's get right into it. From I believe it was the 16th to the 18th of August, Forever21.com had a 30% off sale. So I went on there, went to the plus size section, and saw what I could possibly get. I mean, 30% off is pretty good. So I came across a pair of jeggings that was originally priced for $23.80, and with the 30% off, I was able to get it for $11.83. So that's amazing, especially for a plus size, item. So this is the pants that I got, the jeggings that I got. I've worn them already, so. Oh, first let me show you the package it came in. The shipping was really quick. Like I ordered it on a. It came in like less than my brother's coming, so if you see. It came in less than a week. Like I think I ordered it on like a Thursday, and by like the Monday or the Tuesday or the Wednesday, it was the Tuesday. I ordered it on Thursday and it came the Tuesday. So this is the package it came in from. Came by Purelator. They delivered it right to my door. So it came in a yellow Forever 21 package. Like this. Sean, stop. Watch TV. It's my video. And then the back just had a sticker with my address and stuff on it. So yeah, these are the jeggings that I got. They are acid wash. They're the acid wash color. I got it in a size 3X. So this is the pants. They're not distressed or anything. They're just this color. So that's the pants. It has an elastic band waist. The only thing is I wish it had a belt loop, because like when I wear my pants, like I have to make sure it fits my hip area, because that's the widest part, and then my waist is smaller. So like sometimes the waist of my pants are like big, so I always have to wear like a belt to keep it on. But I mean, this stays up. I do have to pull it up a couple times for the day, but other than that, it does fit really well. So yeah. And then so that's what I got online for 30% off. And then I went to the Eaton Center the other day, and I went into Forever 21 and I went to the plus size section, and they had some pants that were like really cheap. Like that's the thing I like about Forever 21. Their plus size clothes aren't priced more. Like when you go to some other stores to get a bigger size, they're gonna cost more. Like I know Walmart does that. Like you have the regular sizes, and then you want plus size, it's like more expensive. Forever 21 doesn't do that. That's what I really like. Their pants are actually really cheap. So yeah, I went into there and I went on some pants rack, and they had some jeggings there that was really cheap. They had jeggings there for $13.80. They also had jeans for $17.80, which I think is an amazing price. So yeah, I did get a pair of jeggings. These ones are gray, and these were $13.80. They're just like my other one. They're just gray. They're just gray. And this I got in a size 20. So yeah, it also has the elastic waist. So yeah, and this fits, the way this fits, like the 3X fits me a little bit better. I tried on the 18 in this gray pants, and it was like, it fit, but it was a little tight. Like I felt like I couldn't really feel comfortable in it to, like, go to school, walk to the bus, get on the bus, and all that stuff. So I said, why don't I get the 20? The 20 fits me a little bit big, so all I'm gonna do is wear like some thick leggings or something underneath it, so that it'll fit me a little bit better. So that is this one, and this one was $13.80 in gray. So those are the two pants that I got, super cheap, and they are super comfortable, great for school, because school is coming up So yeah, that is my haul. This is my first haul. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, please comment below. Please like and subscribe and all of that. I hear my brother, he's playing with this toy. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Bye.